Hi, I'm David Ienna from Fairmax Law. Today we're here to clear up some common misconceptions about bankruptcy that might be holding you back from taking the steps you need for a fresh financial start. Myth number 1, bankruptcy means you lose everything. This is one of the biggest myths out there. The truth is, most people who file for bankruptcy are able to keep their homes, cars, and personal belongings. Exemptions exist to protect essential assets, allowing you to keep what you need to get back on your feet. Myth number 2, bankruptcy ruins your credit forever. While it's true that bankruptcy will impact your credit score, it's not permanent. Many people see their credit start to improve within a year of filing. With responsible financial habits, you can rebuild your credit faster than you might think. Myth number 3, only irresponsible people file for bankruptcy. Bankruptcy isn't a reflection of your character. It's a tool designed to help people from all walks of life who are facing overwhelming financial challenges, often due to circumstances beyond their control like medical emergencies or job loss. At Fairmax Law, we understand that life can throw unexpected challenges your way. Bankruptcy is about finding a solution, not placing blame. You can actually file for bankruptcy more than once, but there are time restrictions between filings. This ensures that bankruptcy is used as a last resort and not a frequent solution. If you're struggling with debt and considering bankruptcy, don't let these myths hold you back. At Fairmax Law, we're here to provide the accurate information and compassionate support you need to make the best decision for your financial future with $0 down to file. Contact us today to learn more.